Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech with Saket. I am Saket Sagar. Today we are going to see what is CLI. CLI stands for Command Line Interface. So before going to CLI, I want to give more information about GUI, that is Graphical User Interface. So what is Graphical User Interface? On my screen, on my desktop screen, you can see there are many icons or there are many symbols like here Chrome icon, then this YouTube icon, this PC icon, and this Eclipse icon. And in the bottom you can see there are many symbols like battery symbol, Bluetooth sign, and Wi-Fi symbol. So these all, whatever you are seeing on my screen, that is called graphical user interface. But in the earlier days, in the earlier computer, there was no such graphical user interface. As graphical user interface makes easy to interact with the computer, because if you want to open your YouTube, then you can just double click on it. If you want to open your Chrome, you can just double click on it. But in the earlier computer, there was no such graphical user interface. If you want to interact with your computer using the command line interface, then you can do only by using the commands. So we are moving to our today's topic, that is command line interface. So this is a slide of command line interface. So what is command line interface? Command line interface is a powerful program that allows user to type text commands instructing the computer to do a specific task. Like in this slide, you can see I want to list all the directories and folder of my current directory. So I am typing a command ls, which will list all the folders and directories of my current directory. Okay, so if we want to interact with our computer using the command line interface, then we have to use the commands. Okay, back in 1960, people had only a keyboard as an input device, and the computer screen could only display text informations. At that time, the operating system like MS-DOS used the CLI as a standard input interface. Basically, users had to type a command on the CLI to perform tasks, as this was the only way to communicate with the computers. After typing a command, like you can see, after I have typed the command ls, the result user got would be either text information, like we are getting the text information as a result. But in some case, you can also get some action performed by the computer as required. As you instruct the computer, you will get some action. Like in the Mac operating system, if you write CAL, that is cal, then you will see calendar. So after typing a command, the result user got would be either text information or a specific action performed by the computer. Then after many years, mouse was invented. The invention of a mouse marked the beginning of the point and click method. Like using the mouse, you can point and click as a way to interact with the computer. Like I want to cut this page, so I will go in the right hand corner, and after clicking the mouse, I can cut this page. So after inventing the mouse, this was the first, or this was the beginning of the point and click method. Okay, apart from that, operating system started to develop an attractive way of computing using graphical user interface. Graphical user interface was phenomenal because of the use of buttons and menu. Like in this you can see there are here, this is like a button. After clicking the button, it is opening a new window for me, and after pressing this icon, I am opening my slide. So GUI itself was phenomenal because of the use of buttons and menus to present specific commands. Today, graphical user interface has become a very common way of computing. We all are using graphical user interface today, but most of the operating systems still offer both graphical user interface and command line interface. Also, Mac based operating system offer both, and in Mac the command line interface is called terminal, and in Windows it is called command prompt. So we are moving to our next slide, and it is components of CLI. So CLI has three components. First one is command prompt, second one is cursor, and third one is command. So what is command prompt? A command prompt is the input field in a text-based user interface screen for an operating system or program. Like I am using a window, and here I if I type command prompt, and here you can see command prompt, and then I open it, then you can see I can here type the commands. So this is a command prompt where I can type the command. Okay, and if you are using a computer, then you know about cursor. And what is a command? And command is an executable instructions. Simply a command is an executable instructions. Like here in this I am writing ls. So ls is a command which is used to perform a specific task. Like if I want to collect all the folders and files, to display all the folder and file of my current working directory, so I will write ls. So it will print all the directories, and it will show all the directories and file of my current working directory. So a command is an executable instructions. Okay, so this was all for this video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. See you in the next video. Thanks. Have a nice day.